To set up a voice chat on Steam 2025, first we need to click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of the screen, navigate to the settings, and then scroll down to the voice section. That way we'll be able to change our voice input device, and that means the device that will be used as a microphone, so choose the one that you're currently using. You can also perform a microphone test to make sure that it's working, after which we can change the voice output device, and that means you can pick your headphones or speakers. You will hear your sound through it. Then we can adjust the input volume, and you can also change your output volume. Then there's voice transmission options that you can switch between open microphone, which will listen to your microphone all the time. You can click on push to talk and then assign push to talk key. You will need to press and hold this key to actually talk. You can also enable push to mute and assign key as well, which will make your key mute your microphone when you hold it. And there's also play a short sound on microphone toggle. We can manage voice transmission threshold between off, medium, or high, and medium is recommended, so I would go with these options. You can also activate echo cancellation in advanced settings, noise cancellation, automatic volume gain control, and you can copy voice logs to your keyboard right here. And that is basically everything that you can do with the voice chat.